gotta be easy. You was there when you didn't need me. No one more game.
Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Money on 28s, man. Y'all already know we out here hanging out, man, Memorial Day. But shit, while I'm out here grilling, I'm waiting no food anyway, so I just decided to go ahead and put my Forgiato steering wheel on, man. I just bought some Forgiatos for this thing, man. Definitely finna be mounting up soon. Y'all already know. So y'all see, man, I got my tools right there. Finna get this Forgiato steering wheel mounted up, man. I already know how to disconnect everything, man. Take this plate off right here. It's two, I think, I don't know what millimeter sockets it is back here, or bolts, whatever. But it's two little bolts back here. Take them off. And that's how you remove the cover right here, man. Steering wheel, the horn cover. So yeah, man. Make sure this chicken good to go. Y'all see, we out here, man. The box Chevy definitely finna get mounted up soon, baby. Ooh, y'all see that smoke, man? We out here. Yes, sir. Alright, I got the Forgiatos, man. I'm just gonna be showing y'all the steering wheel. I already bought the Forgiatos. I was supposed to did a video recording when I was buying them, but I didn't. But it's all good, man. So I'm gonna do a whole video on y'all. I'm gonna test the Forgiatos out on the box Chevy, man, myself. I already know everything already fit. I already got the adapters and everything for them. So what we're gonna do is, man, we're gonna test them out for y'all. That's when I'm gonna reveal Forgiato. But y'all gonna see the steering wheel now, so I'm gonna do the steering wheel change, man. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Do that Forgiato steering wheel change, man. Should be just a second. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, what it do, YouTube, man? We back. Now I just gotta get see which one actually fits. This right here, man. These bolts back here. Let me see if I can show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but they right there. So, man, let's see if we can find this, man. Set y'all up so y'all can see what's going on and we can get this process started. I'm gonna make this quick. I still got the steering wheel at the house, so. Alright, so my bad. That just stopped the video. Put the camera down too much. There we go, man.
He wants y'all to see his chicken, y'all.
Yes, sir.
He's so proud of his chicken.
Do this, man. Y'all see that, man? Memorial Day getting it in, boy. Stop playing, man. Cook a chicken and change the steering wheels. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, I'm coming back. Keep y'all recording so y'all can see it. I got it off. I got the hard part. Well, I ain't hard. We got the one need. Damn, what that one I just took off? Shit. What? 21?
What?
21 millimeter. I'll probably take the camera. Talk to the camera, my boy.
Oh.
Oh, damn, that is pretty much dead. Got that off? Just that easy. Got that socket off. Alright, there we go. We got it off. Alright, man. Got that bad boy off, man. Just gotta wiggle it. Gotta be a little strong. So now I'm gonna go get the new steering wheel for y'all.
Alright, man. We got the steering wheel out here. We got this one off already. As y'all can see them in the center caps. That's what I'm saying. I might rock with the red with the gray, man. That shit gonna look good. I'm gonna put a red pinstripe. I ain't gonna even change. I could have did the red, gray like the top or the paint, but do color on color. That'll be nasty too, but I'm gonna just be different and kind of give it like a different look, man, and keep the red for a little bit. Put the pinstripe. And I am gonna put the LSX badge too. So y'all already know, man, videos coming, baby. But yeah, there go the steering wheel right there. We got that one off. We got the wheel hub right there. So we finna go ahead and mount this thing up, man. Yes, sir. Put some barbecue on this? Nope. Nope. Love that. All right, man. That's what we can do this, man. Bad boy off. Baby. Yes, sir. Straight up, baby. Yes, sir. Got that wheel hub on. That was the most important part. Make sure that wheel hub fit. But yeah, we definitely mounted up. Just that easy, man. Simple.
point. Yeah, baby, you can. Get that thing on, man. Y'all stop playing. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the boat back on. We got the boat right here. Put this back on. As y'all can see, man, y'all see the type of Forgies I'm going with, man. They inside the house. All right, before I tighten that up, I'm gonna put these in so y'all know what I'm doing. Yes, sir, man. So I turn y'all back on once I got all this on, man. Y'all pretty much see the process of the hard part, what to do. Nothing hard at all. Simple, man. Yes, sir. Turn y'all right back on when I finish, baby.
All right, man, what I do, man, we got all the tools we needed. Finally got that thing installed, man. Finally got that thing installed, baby. Yes, sir. We'll be rocking. That thing installed.
Yeah, I better start using
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the videos. We got them hot dogs on now. We got Hope whipping up the hot dogs. My son just got here. Bring you one? All right. Bam. There we go, man. With the wheels, y'all. 26s. It's gonna be mounting up, baby. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.